I'm so excited to be recording this video today because it is another collaboration, y'all. We on the up and up. It is with ReadyWigs, and it's funny, I haven't even like taken it out the packaging yet. It came extremely fast. The company reached out to me about collaborating with them, and I said yes. And I picked out this wig. It came really fast. It came in like 5 days, and it came from China, so I was like shocked at how fast it came, knowing that it was coming from China. So I have nothing. The box is a little beat up. I'm trying to take it out. Y'all see, I haven't even taken it out the FedEx packaging yet, so yeah. Box is definitely a little beat up, but it says ReadyWigs right here in the front. And then when you open it up, it says ReadyWig, I love that we met and hope you enjoy the hair, www.readywigs.com. Then it also comes with this hair care little card. Says some stuff on there. Basically gives you instructions on how to keep the hair in good condition. And they also on the back side give you their, it looks like their Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So comes with this little card, and it also comes with a wig cap. Y'all know you can never have enough wig caps, okay? And there's also this little travel size spray bottle. Oh my god, that's so cute. That is so cute and convenient. And then here is the wig here. Let me grab this one. I don't have my brush. I have a wide tooth comb today because I knew it was a curly wig, and I didn't know if I wanted like my wig brush, so I just grabbed this. I also can't find it, so just throwing it out there. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the specs, y'all. What am I talking about? So they have two combs here on the side. It is a 16 by 13 with a 16 by 13, y'all, 16 by 3 with the lace all across. There is a comb in the back, and then there's the elastic straps in the back as well. So this is what I want to say. Although this is a collaboration video, which means that this hair was sent to me for free by the company, I do really want to point out that this company has great customer service as far as me dealing with them, picking out the wig, getting shipping, and so on and so forth. So I definitely want to give a shout out to the company. First of all, thank you for reaching out to me, but beyond that, the customer service is amazing. So kudos to you. You don't get that often. The hair feels good. Like, even running my hands through it, I'm not really getting shedding, and it just feels good, you know. To say it's a curly wig, you know, sometimes you get synthetic curly wigs and it's like you know, we ain't really getting that with this one. Now so on the picture it was supposed to be worn as a side part, so we'll do it as a side part. And y'all wait, y'all know I don't have a mirror, but I have a mirror right here, so I'm gonna just go. Oh, she's cute. She's cute, she's cute, she's cute, she's cute. I don't know if I want to like comb through it with the comb or like just finger comb it, but okay. I do love the wig. I think it is very, very pretty. I think the color is a gorgeous color, especially on dark skin or brown skin. And yeah, I like it. I think it's a nice fall wig. You throw it on with a little hat and you're out the door for the fall, or you wear it like this and you're good to go. Like, you want to know another thing that I like about it? It's different than anything else that I feel like I've tried. It's a cute little short, you know, do wop, boppity bop, and I just like that. Like, come on, I'm in your grill, I'm in your mix, and then I'm not. I'm in your mix, and then I'm not. I'm in your mix. Okay, let me turn around and show y'all the back, and then I'm not. It's okay. Let me show y'all the sides. Okay, yes, I like it. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna leave a link down below to the exact link for the wig, and also just ReadyWig's website. Again, thank you to them for y'all. Sometimes it's just so hard being this beautiful. I'm just playing. Y'all, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Y'all know when I like a wig, I start to feeling myself. You know, I will be feeling myself more, but one, I'm about to go somewhere, so I can't sweat out nothing. And two, it's hot. It's hot up in this room. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link down below where you guys can purchase this wig. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit me down in the comment section and let me know what y'all think of the wig. Let me know if y'all bought from ReadyWigs before. Let me know if you are gonna buy from ReadyWigs, so on and so forth. I actually also have a coupon code that I will be linking down below, so if you do order from ReadyWigs, you will get a discount because of me. And I will leave that coupon code down below. But I mean, she's just, oh, my earring came out. Oh no, my gauge came out. Oh, it's serious when my gauge comes out. But yeah, you guys, I just like it. I like it a lot. Oh my gosh, I can't find my gauge back, but I like it. I like it. I like it. I love it. Okay, fix those straps though. Ready? Okay, because I can't be out in the streets and somebody snatched my wig off. That's not cute. That's not cute. Anyway, y'all, go follow me on Instagram at Angelle's Life, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace. Tell me I'm not gorgeous.